हेलो एवरीवन, माई सेल्फ भावना ठक्कर। डिटर्मिनेंट्स एंड मैट्रिसेस यूनिट में आज हम देखेंगे इक्वालिटी ऑफ मैट्रिसेस। टू मैट्रिसेस आर इक्वल इफ they have the same order and their corresponding elements must be equal. Equality of matrices. For two matrices A is equal to Aij m by n and B is equal to Bij m by n are equal matrices if they have the same order and Aij is equal to Bij for all I and j, then we can say that A and B are equal matrices and that is denoted by A is equal to B. A and B equal matrices, इसका ऑर्डर भी सेम होना चाहिए। यहाँ पे ए का ऑर्डर है m by n, b का भी ऑर्डर है m by n and aij is equal to bij where I represents number of rows and j represents number of columns, means their corresponding elements must be equal. Then we can say that A and B are equal matrices. For example, A is equal to 2, 4, 1 by 2 square root of 9 and B is equal to 2, 4, 0.5 and 3. तो ये जो matrices है A and B are equal matrices because they have the same order. यहाँ मैट्रिक्स A है उसका भी ऑर्डर है 2 by 2 and मैट्रिक्स B का ऑर्डर है 2 by 2 and their corresponding elements. यहाँ पे फर्स्ट रो फर्स्ट कॉलम का एलिमेंट है 2, यहाँ पे भी है 2, मींस A11 is equal to B11, A12 फर्स्ट रो सेकंड कॉलम का एलिमेंट है 4, यहाँ पे भी है 4, सो A12 is equal to B12, 1 by 2 सेकंड रो फर्स्ट कॉलम का एलिमेंट है 1 by 2, यहाँ पे है 0.5, so 1 by 2 that is equal to 0.5, ये भी इक्वल है और स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ 9 that is equal to 3. तो ये एलिमेंट्स भी सेम है, so that corresponding elements are equal, so A and B are equal matrices, means A is equal to B. अभी यहाँ पे एक एग्जांपल देखते हैं. If matrix x minus y 2 3 x plus y is equal to 1 2 3 3, then find x and y. ये जो two matrices है that is equal matrices, that is given and we have to find the value of x and y. यहाँ पे ऑर्डर सेम है. ये जो मैट्रिक्स है x माइनस वाई 2 3 x प्लस वाई, ये मैट्रिक्स है इसका ऑर्डर है 2 by 2 and 1 2 3 3. ये जो मैट्रिक्स है उसका भी ऑर्डर है 2 by 2. Now equal matrices that is given, so they have the same order, their corresponding elements must be equal, means first row first column का element है x minus y, so that is equal to 1. So by equality of matrices, first row first column का element है x minus y is equal to 1. यहाँ पे है 2, ये भी 2 3 3, x plus y is equal to 3, x plus y is equal to 3. ये है इक्वेशन 1, ये इक्वेशन 2. So from 1 and 2 we have to find the value of x and y. So first adding equation 1 and 2, x minus y is equal to 1, x plus y is equal to 3. Now adding these two equations, minus y plus y, x plus x, is equal to 2x is equal to 1 plus 3, 4. Okay. Now 2x is equal to 4. So x is equal to 4 by 2. That is equal to 2. Clear? Now we have to find the value of y. So put the value of x is equal to 2 in equation 1. In equation 1, so we get x minus y is equal to 1. So 2 minus y is equal to 1. So y is equal to 2 minus 1. So y is equal to 1. X is equal to 2 and y is equal to 1. So by equality of matrices, we can find the value of x and y. Okay.